It's day 28.
Artwork fly. Today I'm going to draw a study of an eye using blue gelling pen. As I said in previous videos, I do not like to use pen ink to draw, but since Inktober, I'm really starting to like to use the pen ink to draw. And it's so surprising to me that I did not make a lot of mistakes when using the pen ink. Once I have the first layer down in pencil, going over it was a breeze with the pen. For some drawings I did not have to use the pencil to do anything. Once I have an idea of the technique I'm going to use, how I'm going to shade it, what direction I'm going to shade it, then using the pen was basically very easy to do. I have learned how to control the flow of ink from this pen, so therefore I had less mistakes. If you like this Inktober, please remember to like, share, comment and subscribe and hit the bell so you can always know when I upload. For my new subscribers here, thank you very much for subscribing. Be sure to check out some of my other videos. Thank you very much for watching. Please remember to like, share, comment, subscribe and hit the bell so you can always know when I upload.